Today we will use a transistor and an integrated operational amplifier to build an amplifier. To amplify this 40 Hz AC signal. Let's see which circuit is simpler. First, build the DC circuit of the transistor. Here we use series to stabilize the base working point, then add input and output capacitors. Connect the input signal to this amplifier circuit. The output signal is taken from the collector. So this is a common emitter amplifier circuit. Its output and input are reversed. Based on the analysis of its AC passband, we know that this common emitter amplifier, its amplification factor should be RC over A, which is 10 to 1, which is 10 times. Now we have turned on the input oscilloscope for the input and output signals. We can see that the input signal is 50 millivolts and the output signal is nearly 500 millivolts, which means the circuit has achieved a 10-fold amplification. Next, we use an integrated operational amplifier to achieve the same function. Let's see how the circuit should be built, because the previous transistor common emitter amplification circuit realizes reverse amplification. So this integrated operational amplifier must also achieve reverse amplification. We ground the in-phase input. Connect a 40 Hz AC signal to the reverse input, then between the output and input we connect a feedback resistor. This constitutes a typical reverse amplification circuit. According to the principle of virtual short or virtual break, we can obtain that the reverse circuit, the gain should be 10,000 to 1,000, that is, the amplification factor is 10 times. Because the input signal and output signal are reversed so accurately, its amplification factor should be minus 10 times. The negative sign represents reverse. By observing the waveforms of the input and output signals, we can intuitively see that the circuit realizes a 10 times reverse amplification. Now we will combine the transistor amplifier circuit and the integrated operational amplifier circuit together. They both achieve the same function. Which circuit do you prefer?